Papercraft Essentials magazine. This is issue 178. It's here all the way from England from our friends at Practical Publishing. Now, this magazine also has something very special in it, and it is this. There are foiled die cuts from a company called Studio Light. And what's surprising to me is that we just bought some things from Studio Light. It was fun to see them in this magazine. Now, their die cuts are on paper and they're foiled. Look at that red foiling. Oh, so pretty. What's also nice is that not only do you get all of this, but there are 179 foiled die cuts in this collection. So lots of sheets of them. Each sheet has multiple and they pop right out, as you can see. They have a very vintage look, just really, really lovely. And that pop of color is gorgeous. That red foil is really breathtaking. And you can see as I'm going through these sheets just how many there are. All sorts of themes. Again, very down-toned, very old world looking, or kind of country looking, I guess I would say. And here we go. And then there are ideas showing ways that you can put them together. Of course, the magazine is going to show us a few more. And you also get 8 envelopes. So that's a nice bonus too. So let me go back here. These are called Diorama Cards. So they're going to be 3-dimensional, which is why you've got all those layers. Let me bring in the magazine and get to that so you can see. Here we go. We'll start this out. Now, in addition to all of those, you always get ideas for using the product, but you get more ideas. Now, this is a diamond fold card, so really gorgeous, and different ways that you can do them. This happens to be a double fold, as though a diamond fold isn't enough. You can do it doubly. Here are some ideas of how to use stencils and different ways of coloring them, so that's very beneficial. And here is a cut out and keep section. Now this is really kind of nice because all of the projects are right here. I think there's some additional ones, but they're all right here. So what you can do is pull this out and keep it, or just leave it in your magazine. But the diorama part of it is that you can take those pieces, fold them back, attach them, and you've got windows. A window that looks like this, or you've got a circle that you can build things and layer them. Foam tape is going to be your friend here. And using this, the side pieces will get folded back and attached to your card base. But aren't they pretty? Very, just very lovely artwork and execution. Isn't that gorgeous? Just really, really, really nice. I can't say that enough, I guess. So you can see here, you get very traditional Christmas, you get some kind of winter wonderland, all of those. Now, let me go on and get you to another section that I thought particularly interesting. And this is right here. And I love this because it's using one of our Artful card kits. I didn't know they were doing this. This is the Floral Fantasy Artful card kit. Very striking in this triangular shape. And you know that those are still available here at paperwishes.com. And there's more. In fact, this whole section is with our Artful card kit. So I love the fact that they showcased it, and I'll have to be sending them a thank you note. So here is Papercraft Essentials, not only how to make these diorama cards beautifully done, but also some favorites with our Floral Fantasy Artful card kit. All of this is in stock and right now.